Did you know the difference between maybe and may be? Let's know the difference through this video. Maybe is an adverb. Maybe is a standalone answer to a question. For example, are you coming to the party tonight? Maybe. Maybe is one word. Maybe can be replaced with perhaps. Maybe no one will come to the party tonight. Perhaps no one will come to the party tonight. May, be, on the other hand, are two separate words and are written separately. May is a modal verb and be is an auxiliary verb. The modal verb may can be written not only along with the auxiliary verb be, but it can be used along with the main action verbs play, sing, join, visit, like may sing, may visit, may join, etc. Anu may be waiting for us now. Hope this video helps. More in my next videos. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.